love dogs, subscribe. Just look at this. It's 3 dogs and I love them. Can you subscribe? Do you love? Oh my gosh, the baby. I cannot touch it because the mommy just gonna bite me. The baby get out. The baby get out of the crib I make. It's just a cardboard. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's not really cute. Go back to your favorite coloring uncles. You cannot. There are 3. The white one is milky. This this fat one is going to be Sashi, and this one is Lucky. Lucky.